Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw animal balloons, a horse, and a butterfly. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a horse balloon, starting with its head. I draw a mouth and a face like this. Then I draw 2 ears and its neck. Then I draw a horse's mane. I draw 4 legs like this. Finally, I draw its tail. Next to it, I draw a butterfly balloon. First, I drew the head of a butterfly, then I draw its body. Last, I draw a beautiful wing balloon. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Finally, I draw highlights for these balloons. Let's start coloring. First, I use dark yellow to paint the horse balloon. Then I color this mane brown. For its tail, I also use this brown marker to paint. Then I use dark purple to paint this part of the butterfly balloon. I color its wing light purple. Yeah, our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.